Cruising is a popular vacation choice, especially for seniors. But is it a good option if you're traveling alone? I used to think I'd hate cruising, but about 10 years ago, a friend convinced me to join him on an Alaska cruise that he had found at a discounted price. To my surprise, I really enjoyed it. And I found that, done right, it can be a great way to travel solo. The biggest advantage? Unpacking once. You board the ship, settle into your cabin, and then travel from place to place without the hassle of packing, unpacking, or dealing with hotels. Another thing I love is the variety of destinations. One of my favorite cruises took me around England, Scotland, Ireland, France, Belgium, Norway, and the Netherlands. 10 stops in 14 days. One concern that I think some solo travelers have is that they might feel a little bit lonely when they're by themselves. I've never had a problem with that. Cruisers tend to be friendly, and it's easy to strike up conversations. I often grab a drink, sit in a lounge, and end up chatting with people from all over the world. One thing I didn't expect to enjoy so much was the entertainment. There's always a big theater show, live music, and smaller performances happening all around the ship. I'd grab a martini at happy hour, have dinner with new people, watch the main show, and then end the night at the piano bar or listening to the B.B. King Blues Band. I've also found that if you want to stay active on a cruise, it's surprisingly easy. Most ships have a walking or jogging track on the upper decks, and it's a great way to get fresh air and take in the views while getting in your steps. The food on cruise ships is usually quite good, and there's something available almost 24 hours a day. Now, cruising solo isn't perfect. The biggest drawback is the cost. Most cruise lines charge nearly double for a solo traveler because they're losing out on a second paying guest who will be tempted to spend on the many optional extras. So, is cruising a good choice for solo travelers? If you can find a cruise with a great itinerary at a reasonable price, absolutely. If you haven't tried a solo cruise, I'd say give it a shot. You might be surprised, just like I was.